Yeah, we're back with some more snack sip, snack stash. Completely forget, what name it has. Love the fact it keeps telling me there's no audio. Look, I don't want to be right into the microphone, guys. Thanks. Jeez. Anyway, I actually picked these up tonight. So I've still got the backlog of stuff. Of which there's an interesting little addendum to the gourmet sweets that I did a few videos back or whatever, or at least it will be by the time I get to it. I think I know now why they're discontinued. That's a tease, because this to me just seems weird. I could have gone with the regular ones, but I decided to push the boat out because I do love chocolate orange, except they're chocolate orange rice cakes. So they're healthy for you, but with all the bloody chocolate that's on them, they're not. But then it's flavour. But does chocolate orange work with a rice cake? I guess we're going to find out. Wow, I didn't think it would look like that. Well, that I thought. I knew it was going to look like a rice cake, but... So I guess the question is, what is this like? Is this the orange? It's just dark chocolate. It's not chocolate orange. It's chocolate with orange stuck on the top. Well, I know that now. I should have read that in the store. It's okay. But the problem is, I'd say there's too many flavours in there. Because you've got the flatness of the rice cake, the base. Then you've got the dark chocolate flavour, which is obviously tastes like dark chocolate. But at the same time, you've got the actual, the zing of the orange pieces. Which tastes much different, like in a chocolate orange, because it's obviously orange oil that's blended into the chocolate. I have to go in for a second to try and work out this enigma. It's gradually growing on me. Maybe because this one has got less orange bits on it. And it's more chocolate. But at the same time, it's just... I guess I prefer a chocolate biscuit to a chocolate rice cake. I know the health stuff, but... Well, I say the health stuff. But apparently they're orange. I'd be intrigued to see what they are without the chocolate. Because if it's like, there's a lot of sugars, well, there's a moderate amount of sugars, a moderate amount of saturates, and a moderate amount of no salt. So I guess we can find one positive. I don't know. It's an enigma. Whether I can be bothered to do the rest of them, probably not, because I've got too much other stuff. But yeah. Check out the other content here on the network. Snack stashes, gaming with Ash, other stuff from me, wrestling content, AJ's movie reviews, the verses, awards talk, HHN stuff from the archives, I guess, sip and snack, all here for your delectation. I don't know why I'm coming up with smart words. I just watched the bloody Hellboy reboot. Dear God. Anyway, you'll probably catch AJ's movie review of that. With that being said, that's me done. I'll see you on the next video. Dragged that out too long. Kind of like the Hellboy movie.